Palmarosa Essential Oil, I think, is one of the most underrated essential oils. And in this video, I'm going to tell you why. We'll go through its uses, how to use it, how it works, and make sure you know how to use it safely. So let's start with its uses. Palmarosa Essential Oil can kill germs out of the air. I like to put it in the diffuser when I'm having people over to help prevent the spread of sickness. It also has a nice herbal aroma that I like to blend with citrus oils for a nice energizing and calming atmosphere. Palmarosa Essential Oil is anti-inflammatory and cooling, so if you have been sunburned, I love to dilute this oil and put it on my skin to help soothe that. It's also really nice for pain relief, so if you are struggling with some muscular or joint pain. Another way to use Palmarosa Essential Oil is for its great calming aroma. So if you're struggling with anxiety or having difficulty sleeping at night, putting Palmarosa Essential Oil in a diffuser or in a room spray to help you get to sleep at night. You can also use Palmarosa Essential Oil to boost your immune system. We have a summer day diffuser blend that I think you will love. Check it out to help boost your immune system. Palmarosa Essential Oil helps support skin healing. We have some great recipes in the blog post that I'll link to in the description box. So make sure you check out those to take advantage of the skin healing properties of Palmarosa Essential Oil. Let's talk about how we know Palmarosa Essential Oil works. To learn how an oil works, we look at the natural occurring chemicals in that oil and look at their benefits. The main occurring chemical in Palmarosa Essential Oil is geraniol, and that gives it this kind of rosy herbal aroma. It also gives it its properties of being anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, and anxiety relieving properties. I talk more about this chemical in the blog post, which you can check out in the description box. Palmarosa Essential Oil is unlikely to cause skin irritation, but whenever you're using an oil on the skin, you'll want to dilute it first. I'll link to a really easy to follow dilution chart in the description box. This oil is generally considered safe to use with individuals aged 2 and up. It's also generally considered safe to use around cats and dogs. Before you use an essential oil with a pet, it's best to introduce the oil to them with the cap on. Allow your pet to smell it. See how they react. If it's a negative reaction, avoid using that oil around your pet. If it's a positive reaction, you can try it in the diffuser. Make sure that the door is open so that your pet can leave if they do not like the aroma of the oil. For more great info on Palmarosa Essential Oil, make sure you check out the blog in the description box for great recipes and more details on this oil. I'm Katie. I'm a certified aromatherapist for Simply Earth. I love teaching people how to make their homes toxin-free using essential oils. Remember to hit subscribe, and thanks for watching.